Hello, my beautiful royal queens, and welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for the latest fashion trends for 2025 and have many questions in your mind about what's new in fashion, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll reveal everything that's fresh in the world of fashion this year, from modern cuts and bold colors to innovative fabrics. Keep watching to discover how you can stand out with every look. Minimalist elegance. Minimalist elegance. Clean and simple looks will be the preferred choice for fashion lovers in 2025. Focusing on simple details and high quality highlights the concept of less is more in elegance. Minimalist elegance is trending for 2025, where clean and practical outfits become the ideal choice for those who prefer to avoid complexity and excess details. These looks are based on using essential pieces of high quality, focusing on neutral colors and sleek designs that reflect refined taste. By steering away from over-the-top details, individuals can express their personality through comfortable, functional elegance, making it suitable for both work and casual occasions. The strength lies in simple details such as luxurious fabrics, precise stitching, and coordinated outfits that embody the principle of less is more. Minimalist elegance is a form of sustainable fashion, where essential pieces can be reused repeatedly without losing their appeal. Nostalgia for the 90s brings us back to a vibrant and energetic era, where culture, music, and fashion formed a unique blend of creativity and freedom. With the return of 90s fashion, we are witnessing a revival of the key trends from that period that combine authenticity and modernity. Loose jeans, whether wide-legged or distressed, have become a staple in modern wardrobes. Chunky sneakers, which were symbols of comfort and style in the 90s, are back as the go-to piece for everyday looks. Classic black leather jackets add a bold touch, while shiny party dresses bring a celebratory atmosphere to today's trends. Colorful, bold accessories like oversized necklaces and rubber bracelets bring a playful touch to the look. Nevertheless, combining the old with the new remains the best choice, allowing for the fusion of past pieces with present trends to create a stylish and comfortable outfit. Don't hesitate to experiment with bright colors and bold prints that were integral to that era. Choose comfortable pieces that reflect your personality, and let 90s fashion take you on a journey of nostalgia and renewal in a unique and distinctive way. Oversized blazers. Oversized blazers combine classic pieces with a modern touch, making them the perfect choice for women who are looking for both an elegant and comfortable look at the same time. Thanks to their loose cut, oversized blazers offer exceptional comfort without compromising on style. Oversized blazers also come in a wide range of fabrics and colors. From bold colors like red and yellow to calm shades like beige and navy, you can choose what suits your personality and taste. The variety of fabrics, such as wool, linen, and silk, allows you to wear them in different seasons. Additionally, oversized blazers offer many styling options with different pieces. You can wear them with jeans for a casual look, or with long or short dresses for an elegant touch. They can also be paired with wide-legged trousers for a trendy look. Therefore, they are an essential piece in any wardrobe. With the increasing focus on comfort in fashion, oversized blazers have become the ideal choice. They fit with the trend towards comfortable pieces that allow freedom of movement and provide a modern and distinctive look. They can be easily styled with jeans, dresses, and even wide trousers. Oversized blazers are the perfect choice for a stylish and modern look in 2025, as they combine comfort and style and offer you many versatile styling options. With the growing trend towards comfortable fashion, oversized blazers will be an essential item in your wardrobe. Athleisure wear. Comfort and flexibility are among the top features of athleisure wear, designed to suit an active daily lifestyle, making it a practical choice that combines comfort and elegance. In 2025, athleisure wear is no longer limited to sports activities. It has evolved to include stylish designs suitable for various occasions, reflecting a perfect harmony between sporty vibes and modern fashion. The lockdown conditions over the past years have emphasized the importance of comfort in daily clothing, making athleisure wear a popular and preferred choice for many. These outfits are available in innovative designs and a variety of colors to suit different tastes, making them suitable for all age groups. Vibrant colors and bold patterns. One of the standout trends in athleisure wear for 2025 is vibrant colors like orange and turquoise, along with bold and unique patterns that add liveliness and character to everyday looks. Pastel colors contribute to creating a sense of calm and psychological comfort, making them perfect for the current era where people seek relaxation amidst their fast-paced lives. These colors add a feminine and delicate touch to outfits, making them a suitable choice for all ages and occasions. Pastel colors can be easily paired with other shades, whether neutral like white and beige or bold like red and blue, offering a space for creativity and self-expression. Scientifically, colors are known to impact mood, and pastel tones help enhance positivity and happiness. In 2025, combining multiple pastel shades together creates a harmonious and soft look. Additionally, blending pastel colors with metallic hues like gold and silver adds a modern and attractive touch. Neutral shades such as black and white are also great options when paired with pastel tones for a classic and elegant appearance suitable for different occasions. Pastel shades will not be limited to clothing only. They will also appear in accessories like bags, shoes, and jewelry, adding subtle and distinctive touches to outfits. For a successful look, you can start with one pastel-colored piece, such as a blouse or a bag, and combine it with a neutral outfit for an elegant touch. It is also recommended to choose colors that enhance your skin tone and complement your hair for a balanced and perfect appearance. Don't hesitate to experiment with new combinations, mixing pastel colors with one another or with other shades to showcase your unique style in a distinctive and creative way. Coordinated sets. Coordinated sets, which include matching or complementary pieces, will remain a trendy and comfortable choice. These looks offer ease in styling while maintaining a touch of modern elegance. The appeal of coordinated sets lies in their ability to create a well-put-together appearance with minimal effort. Whether it's a matching blazer and trousers or a coordinated dress and jacket, these sets ensure a chic and polished look for various occasions. In 2025, coordinated sets will be an essential wardrobe staple, offering practicality without compromising style. The versatility of these pieces allows them to be dressed up or down, making them perfect for both professional settings and casual outings. Sustainable fashion. Eco-friendly and ethical clothing is becoming more popular than ever before. With an increasing focus on sustainability, more brands are incorporating environmentally conscious practices into their designs. This trend reflects a shift toward responsible consumption, where fashion choices not only reflect style, but also a commitment to preserving the planet for future generations. In 2025, sustainable fashion will continue to be a major influence, with a growing demand for materials that are ethically sourced and produced. From organic cotton to recycled fabrics, this movement encourages conscious shopping and supports brands that prioritize environmental and social responsibility. Asymmetric cuts are considered one of the prominent trends, adding an artistic and bold touch to looks. These cuts rely on uneven or contrasting designs, creating an unconventional balance in the overall shape. They're ideal for individuals who enjoy expressing their personality in a unique style. Additionally, these cuts offer endless opportunities to experiment with new shapes and styles in clothing, ensuring an innovative and attractive appearance. These are the top fashion trends for 2025. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fashion updates and tips. Stay stylish and remember, you're a royal queen.